Not at all. It's just that I guess all actors have done this. I mean, Dustin Hoffman has done it, and I mean, much greater actors than I can ever be, I guess. Nasir Bhai has done it. Nana Patekar has done it. Dilip Kumar has done it. There's some great actors who've already done it. I guess it's just that lately we have got bogged down by uh, too much of wanting to be a star. I've always felt that if I ever did become a star, I would exercise this position of choice in a way that would benefit, perhaps, that really is a secondary consideration because I'm quite selfish about this. It would perhaps benefit filmmaking because you have a star who's willing to do an actor's film. And how well as an actor one has to just every time wait and see. And I can't really say that I'm the best choice. But being a star may perhaps help a director who wants to make a different kind of film, which might not be made if it was just made with someone who's not a star. It may be that consideration. The one which I really believe the main consideration is that when I'm in a position of choice and I'm going to be doing at the end of my career perhaps 30 to 40 films or 50 maybe, keeping in mind that I do 5 films a year and maybe I'll work for another 5, 6 years or 7 years at the most. I decided that I can do one or two, which make me feel also that I have done something different. I really am not a method actor, or I'm not into that I should be. I'm serious about this stuff. I just have fun, and sometimes doing the same thing, which is most of the time. When I sign a normal Hindi film, I do my masala films, which I've done commercially very well. As a matter of fact, a film like Bazigar, which is complete masala, was also considered different. I don't think I've really been daring as yet. I mean, playing a chamcha or playing the kind of character in Yes Boss and keeping it, it's not. What goes wrong in a Hindi film characterization is that we started off like that for a hero and in the end try to make him superhero, which is wrong. If you just stick to a character, then it really is a normal thing to do. People call this normal thing little daring, but I don't think so at all. Why not keep the character as it is? Like I'm playing an Englishman in this film. I'm an England returned person. Till the end, there's this little accent, trace of this little accent, which is not really a big thing. But I've kept the whole vibe of still being English. I've not got into genes and stuff. So one just sticks to characterization. It's not really daringly different. And I don't know. I really have not yet done any daringly different subjects. That is still to come.
Now, getting to your run-of-the-mill films, Karan Arjun was one of them. What do you attribute to the success of that film? And also the fact that it was compared to Mother India.
I don't really remember Mother India, but I don't know if one could just really pinpoint the contributing factor to a film success. One would just keep making films like that. I really can't pinpoint that, but I guess it was a very well-mounted film. It's directed very well. It's very taut. It had amazing music by Rajesh Roshan, I think, and it was really a commercial film with a difference. It really wasn't your like reincarnation and stuff has been shown, but I guess this was, and then of course the star value of Salman and myself and Kajol and Mamta Kulkarni, Amrish Puri. It had a good star cast. And it was made very fast. We shot it in about 60 days, the whole film. I contribute major success of a filmmaking to a film which is made at one go, and it was more or less made at one go. And Rakesh Roshan, of course, being a director who really seems to know what the masses want. So he was. I had a lot of reservations about the film. I used to question Rakesh ji a lot. But then once he told me कि तुम मुझ पर छोड़ दे, and even Salman said just shut up and keep doing what you're told to do. Your job is to act. So I continued doing that, and I guess they are more knowledgeable than I am in terms of filmmaking. I can't pinpoint one factor, but these various factors have contributed to being actually it's quite a huge success.